Now you can bypass website restrictions with Multilogin Anti-Detect browser. Multilogin is the only anti-detect browser with 9 years of experience in the industry. If you have never been banned having more than one account, you are lucky. This often happens with people who do content marketing, try to get website traffic, or sell products online. People often try to manage everything from one single computer, but this can get their account noticed and possibly banned. Hey guys, 𝗁𝗁 here, and in today's video I'll show you how Multilogin Anti-Detect browser can help you to avoid account bans. With Multilogin, you can manage multiple accounts as if you are a whole team without getting noticed by major sites. And the best part, you don't need to do everything manually. Most of the work can be automated. In this video, I'll walk you through Multilogin and Anti-Detect browser. I'll give you a quick introduction and show you its key features and benefit of using it. Guys, make sure to check out all the important links in the video description after watching this video. So let's jump right in. Before we move on, I would like to introduce you with today's video sponsor, 𝗲𝗺𝗀𝗀. If you want to make your brand stand out and earn trust fast, 𝗲𝗺𝗀𝗀 gets your business featured on top news site like Yahoo Finance, Business Insider, giving you the powerful as seen on badge. Displaying these trusted media logos on your website instantly boosts visitor confidence, showing you are credible and established brand. It's a simple and effective way to increase the conversion and grow your business. Start building your brand's credibility today with 𝗲𝗺𝗀𝗀, link in the video description. And now let's proceed with the video. What is Multilogin browser? Multilogin is an anti-detect browser made for managing multiple accounts, web scraping, and more. It hides your real device information from major sites by creating virtual browser. This way, websites cannot see the real information of your device. It would be harder for them to detect or block. It's a game changer for people in affiliate marketing, e-commerce, social media management, and similar fields. Why do you need a Multilogin browser? You might be thinking, why would I even need an anti-detect browser? Let me give you a real-life example to understand when and why this tool can be really helpful. Let's start with traffic arbitrage. This is when you buy website traffic at low cost and try to earn more from it later. The problem is conversion rate can change a lot and are hard to predict. So that's why smart marketers use multiple accounts to spread the risk and increase their chance of making more money. An anti-detect browser makes it easy to manage all those accounts without getting flagged. If you ever run ads, you know it's all about winning auctions to show your ads. Using multiple ad accounts will help you to reach more customers and increase your chance of finding ads that convert well. The next big reason is affiliate marketing. Having multiple accounts give you more visibility. More visibility means more chance of making money. You can promote different products, run separate campaigns for different products, keep your traffic separated, all while staying under the radar. Last but not least, e-commerce. If you're selling in different regions, managing multiple product categories, having several accounts will let you do that safely without putting your main brand at risk. Whether you are on Amazon, eBay, or any other marketplace, Multilogin Anti-Detect browser will help you to grow your business quietly and confidently. Multilogin Anti-Detect browser useful in many areas. It lets you do more while automating a lot of work for you. So let's take a look at how this Anti-Detect browser works. After you log into Multilogin, you'll land on a home page showing all your browser profiles that you have created. I've created only one profile. To create another, there are two options: quick profile and regular profile. Quick profile is for one-time use, no data safe. Let's create a regular profile. Click the new profile button, give it a name like profile 2, or you can type whatever you like. On the left-hand side, you will see the summary or setting of your profile like basic, advanced, and expert. On the bottom notice bar, you will see all the details about your account. In this case, I have monthly pro plan, and with the pro plan, you will get 5 GB of proxy traffic. You can create 100 profiles and can be invited to team members. Multilogin browser has two types of browsers, Stealthfox and Mimic. Mimic browser is just like a Chrome browser, but give you much more smoother and safer experience. Stealthfox is like a Firefox browser that also performs better than a Firefox browser. After typing the name of your profile, you'll see pre-made cookies for your target website like Amazon, Facebook, and more. To use this feature or to launch your profile, you need to connect the agent first. To connect an agent, click the Connect Agent button. On this pop-up, you have to download the Multilogin agent first as per your operating system. Once you download and install the agent on your computer, Next, you have to connect the agent by clicking on the Connect Agent button. Now you'll see this message which says the agent is connected. Now you can select the website from this list that you want to work on. Next, you'll see the proxy type. You can select multi-login proxy, custom or none. I'll go with multi-login proxy because I've got 5 GB of proxy traffic with this plan. Next, select your target location. I'll select the United States, but feel free to select any location that you like. In the start URL, I'll keep it as it is, but you can change it if you like. And you can set if this URL should be open on the first start or every start. I'll go with the first start. Below, you can add up to 10 tags. You can also write a note for this profile. Now let's turn on the advanced mode. This mode is designed for experts who want to fine-tune their browser fingerprint. As you turn it on, you'll see new options under the location section, region and city. But these options are optional. Protocol and sticky session will also appear. Select HTTP from protocol and you can select keep the IP for as long as possible or custom time from this drop-down menu. You also get the traffic saver option. This feature will save proxy traffic by reducing data uses. Now let's click on the Advanced tab. Here you can choose the operating system that you have. I'm using the Windows operating system, so I'll select Windows. Below, choose any browser of your choice. In storage, you can select cloud or local. Rest of the options should be the same as mine. In the Expert tab, you do not need to change anything. Now simply click on Create Profile button and profile will be created. Now you can launch your profile by clicking on the Start button. Stealthfox browser will open and here you'll see the information about your new location, your current IP address and all new device identity. Basically, browser profile in multi-login replace the need for multiple physical devices or unstable virtual machine. These secure virtual browser profile let you create separate digital identity so each account looks like it's being used from different devices. When you click on these 3 dots, you will see more options like cookies, pre-made cookies for Amazon, Bing, eBay, Facebook and more. You can also have the option to import or export the cookies. You can start this profile headless. A headless browser is a web browser that runs without a visual user interface. It behaves like a regular browser, load pages, run JavaScript, etc. But you don't see it on screen. It mostly used for automation, like testing website, scraping data or running bots. You can edit this profile, rename it, clone this profile, and move into any folder that you have created. Below, you can copy profile ID, export profile, and convert storage. By clicking on Move to Trash Bin, you can delete this profile. Same buttons can be found top of this page right here. Now let's move to the Teams tab from the left-hand side. Here you can invite your team member just by clicking on Invite button. On the pop-up, type your team member's email address and send the invitation link. This invitation link is valid for 7 days. After 7 days, this link will be expired. Now, if you hover your mouse over Docs tab, you can see keyboard shortcuts, knowledge base, where you can access useful articles as well as supportive documentation. With API feature, you can fully control all multi-login X tool using code. You don't need to use the regular interface. You can automate everything or even create your own interface that works best for your need. It gives you complete access to speed up and improve your projects. With multi-login, you will get expert support for 24/7. Let's talk about pricing. Whether you are just getting started or ready to unlock the powerful feature, there's a plan that suits your need. You can start with a 3-day trial to test things out. What makes multi-login stand out is its flexibility. Unlike other platforms with fixed pricing tier, you can only pay what you actually use, like browser profile and team members, plus you can expect some great discount along the way. Final thoughts. If managing multiple accounts feel overwhelming, Multilogin Anti-Detect browser makes it easy. This anti-detect browser not only protects your browser profile, but also automate the entire process across different platforms. If you're serious about running multiple accounts, Multilogin Anti-Detect browser is definitely worth a try. Just check the link in the video description and see how easy it is. And as always, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this channel for more videos. Till then, I'll see you guys next time.